I still haven't told you who I was gonna meet today.
And try to beat my vending.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So hey, if this is your first time here, my name's Tim, and you're gonna want to hit that little subscribe button right there, or else I'll delete your Netflix account. So in today's video, it's gonna be a vending machine video. Actually, it's gonna be a collab video, which is like my first collab, actually, which I'm kind of excited about. So we're gonna go help a friend load his snack vending machine onto my truck and go drop it off at a location. And we're gonna see how it goes. It's gonna be interesting. It's a bit of a drive, so this might be a little different type of video because I've never done a collab before. So we're gonna see how it goes. We're just gonna go with the flow and see where it takes us, just like, you know, we do life. So don't go anywhere. We're hitting the road right now. It's gonna be a drive, but buddy needs a help, so we're gonna go give him some help. All right, like. There, guys. Yeah. All right, guys, we're here. I don't think I told you who I'm coming to help today, but plans have changed. So actually, we're gonna, instead of dropping off a snack machine, we're gonna do something a little more interesting. So, but first, I got someone I want you to meet. It's the homie Nick. Make sure you go sub to his channel, man. I didn't even know he had one.
Yeah, Nick's Reps.
Yeah, Nick's Reps. Don't forget. Bam. All right, so stay tuned, you guys. I still haven't told you who I was gonna meet today. Oh, there he is.
What's up, bro?
What? What? So we're gonna do a little collab video for you guys today. So don't go anywhere.
And try to beat my vending machine competition.
Alright, guys, so change the plans today. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go out with Reyes and we're gonna check the pricing on the competition. And we're gonna see if we could beat them. Oh, there's one. Going down. How much are the waters?
How much are the waters? Like
$1 or $2?
$1.
Same price?
Vending.
Oh, that one works.
Sold out.
No, that's a payphone. No, look at it.
No, we gotta get in the payphone business.
So we're out here trying to find some vending machines, and actually it's harder than it seems, you know, just driving around looking for vending machines. Luckily the homie Nick knew there was some here at the college. So he's got her back. Yeah, see, bottles, $2.19. Super fun day so far. Just cruising around with Reyes, checking out the competition. We're over here at A&PM now. Went inside to kind of evaluate what their prices are down here, and it's $2.19. Plus they got that stinking sugar tax for sodas now. So what the heck, guys? All right, guys, we're over here at Walmart. Man, I want to get one of these though. These are the ones. And the crane machines. Oh man, guys, these are the money makers.
We can't beat these prices, bro.
We can't beat the prices.
We can't beat the prices.
Oh, 50 cents.
Oh, you didn't know?
Oh yeah, you can't mess with that.
What, 50 cents?
They got it on lock, man. All right, let's see. 50 cents per play.
Look,
all right, Ray.
They don't call me Reyes, the claw machine, for nothing.
Oh, I think you got it. Oh, dude, I think it's a setup.
Yeah.
So $2.98
plus the CRV, which is
plus the CRV
5 cents
per can, so extra 40 cents. So $3.38.
Yeah.
But dude, this stuff is popular. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this, or if you like the LaCroix, the LaCroix, the LaCroix, whatever, however you pronounce it. Also, $6.98 for 24. That seems like the deal right there.
You gotta try it out, you know.
Chunkless 2000s.
Boom, boom, right here, bro.
I still gotta wear these for now. For now.
It's in a location, but he's selling the machine by itself. So that's why I had you bring your truck,
okay,
helping me out, cause you know I couldn't. I tried putting a vending machine on top of my car and holding it down with the hands. It didn't work out.
It was too heavy. All right, you guys, so we're here, and of course, it wouldn't be the Tim O channel unless we screwed up something. Reyes and I both, being vending machine guys, neither one of us thought to bring a stinking dolly.
have a key or a lock?
He doesn't have the key, bro. This is like a twist in. Like,
Yeah, I have vending machines.
oh, you do?
So I know what kind of lock he needs.
Oh yeah, he don't have the key, bro.
So
yeah,
I believe you. I believe you.
Yeah, but I don't. Other than that, bro, it looks like it needs some cleaning, but yeah, I mean.
And
Damn it.
my money back already.
You already made your money back already, bro.
Yeah. And I think that should be it. Let me see.
Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so I'm editing the video and I realized I didn't even get footage of us loading the vending machine into my truck. But luckily, the guy had a dolly there, so that worked out and we just manhandled it in my truck. So, cut to us unloading it. So that was a fun day. We got to hang out with Reyes, go do some price comparison, pick up a new machine. Got to meet the homie Nick. So it was a fun day. We're gonna wrap it up though, get home. And hey, if you guys don't know who Reyes the Entrepreneur is, you make sure you go sub to his channel because this dude's the inspiration and he's the real deal.
That's right. You know it's real when I have myself on a shirt.
Yeah. This is your boy right here. So hey guys, thanks for watching it today and I appreciate it. And you know, we got more vending machine videos coming your way very soon. All right guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.